Hey kids, Mr. Lynn here. We are going to go and create some nice game animations. So we go into advanced and we can go and get our animation in here, and we can go and find it in advanced. Sometimes it'll be here. If you can't see it at all, go to extensions and it's animation there, and it will go and drop it in for you just by going to into extensions and go and get animation. So an animation will allow you to go and change and make your characters move. So it's good for if you want your characters to run. So the cat's tail in this may want to move, and when I go and add more legs to the cat, because at the moment you've got 2 legs, you can go and make it move. The other thing will be also the position of the cat. So if it goes and hits the side of a wall, you probably want the cat to sort of be a bit more realistic and for the body to go up. So you'll have this animation that goes up like that. So for this one here, I'm going to go and drop this in between the place value in here. So let's go and just zoom out for a second and move some of these things around. So let's go and keep these in a logical spot like this. So we can go and keep things nice and tidy. Let's go and zoom in a bit more so we can see what's happening with this. Good. So what we want to do is change this. So this is my animate fish level 1. And then I'm going to go and use this, and we can go and copy and paste this. We don't have to redraw it. So I want it to the animation to be on, and I want it to flip. So let's go and grab my assets. So let's just go into my assets and go and copy and paste. So in assets, go and grab your fish or whatever thing you've got coins, hearts, whatever, copy it like this. And then you can go into an animation. If you've already started the animation, you put the block in. If you haven't, go and put the block in and then click on here. It'll take you to the same spot. And then inside here, Command V, Control V to go and paste your fish in there. And on the right hand side, just above my head, you'll see all the frames. Okay. And in here, you can go and see the previous frame as well. So you can go and turn that on. So you've got like what's called an onion skin. You can see it sort of going around. I'm going to do this really simply. I'm only going to put about 4 or 5 frames in. So what I want to do is go and duplicate this, and then I can just go and rotate it. So I'm going to go into this one here on this level here, and then I'm just going to go and rotate it. So just rotate it like that. And then copy this, and then go into this one, and then rotate it again so that it should be pointing down. And then duplicate it again and copy it. So it's below my head now. So if I just turn my head off a second, like this, and then transition me away, you can still hear me, and then I've got this one, it's in here. I want to go and turn this around like so. So then I've got 4 frames, and then I can go and play it. So this is what it's going to look like as it is in the game. Okay, I'm going to put it on a loop. So it's that simple. You can probably have things that are going to sort of flip around, if that's what you desire. You can get things to sort of flip and flip and flip. I'm going to go and call this asset name Fish Annie. And so in the game now, when we go and play, we should have our fish just dancing like this. So then when we go into it, they'll also just make it something quite nice. We could go and have them sparkle. You could have them sparkling, you could have them moving, you could have them squishing, whatever you want. It's entirely up to you for that point. You may want a sound as well. So every time that you hit it, you may want a sound as well. It'd be rather good for every point that you level up. We get a sound like a ding, like a bang, or whatever. Okay. All right. So this one's short. We're going to do that. Have a little go. Remember, copy and paste. If you can't copy and paste, unfortunately, you probably have to go and draw it. So, as always, play test. Have fun. Good luck.